Hi guys, Casey here. In this video, I'll be unboxing this flex arm by Vijim Ulanzi brand. This is model LS-08. Now if you watch my videos, I always do overhead video product shoots. So matagal na ako naghahanap ng flex arm. I've researched a lot of products before finally deciding on this one. The goal was to find budget-friendly brand. For the product checklist, we have 2 extension arms, 1 clamp base arm, and universal screws. So you can do a lot with this product depending on your needs. It can be smartphones, cameras, microphones, and light. Universal screws included, we have wide compatibility. Load capacity is strictly up to 1 kg only. This is for safer and stable streaming and recording experience. So walang issue dapat on getting on the right angle because each arm can be rotated to the angle you need.